want to buy a good yoga mat, then you should look at these three things. First, what is the size, what is the material, and what is the thickness of the yoga mat. The most important is thickness. If you are getting a yoga mat of 4 mm thickness, then you should not consider that yoga mat at all, as this thickness of yoga mat will not be comfortable for you and it will not solve its purpose. Consider a 6 mm thickness yoga mat, and better than 6 mm will be 8 mm thickness. And if you want more comfort, then either you can go with 10 mm thickness or 12 mm thickness. After thickness, the important thing is material. Don't ever consider a yoga mat of PVC material. Instead, consider even EVA material or TPE material. That's the best. I have compared more than 50 yoga mats side by side, and in this video, I'm gonna suggest best yoga mat according to your needs. Now, starting with, if your budget is under 300 rupees, there are so many good options under this price range, but the best option is Slovik yoga mat. The reason is you get 6 mm thickness in this yoga mat, which is very comfortable. At the same time, you also get TPE material, which is one of the best material, and also the price is also very much affordable, that is under 300 rupees. One of the best budget options for daily use, and it's available on both Amazon as well as on Flipkart. In case this yoga mat is not available, then you can go with GenFit Pro. This is also a good option. In this yoga mat, you get a blend of both EVA material as well as TPE material. It's better than the pure EVA material, and also you get 6 mm thickness, so very comfortable. Also, price of this yoga mat is around 268 rupees. Apart from these two options, also you get many more options, but I'm not recommending them, as in other options you get pure EVA material, which is not that much durable, and in these two yoga mats you get TPE material, which is much better. Now coming to, if you have budget flexibility and your budget can go around 700 rupees and you want the best yoga mat for daily usage, then keep two things in your mind, that the material should be TPE and at the same time the thickness of the yoga mat should be around 6 mm. It's the least you should get. In this price range also you get so many options, and out of all these options, the best option is Fitness Mantra 8 mm yoga mat. Keep in mind, this yoga mat comes with 8 mm thickness. That's why it is one of the best option, because in yoga mat, thickness and material is the most important thing. In this Fitness Mantra yoga mat, you get TPE material and 8 mm thickness. In daily usage, you will not find any difficulty in using it. You get multiple color options in this yoga mat as well, and this yoga mat is available both on Amazon as well as on Flipkart. Along with this, you also get a cover for the yoga mat. In the same brand, you also get a good option in 6 mm thickness, which you get 100 rupees cheaper. But the difference is you get 6 mm thickness, and at the same time you get this alignment pattern, which is very different from the rest of the yoga mat. The same price range, you also get an option from Lifelong brand. This yoga mat is having 6 mm thickness and comes around the price range of 600 rupees. So basically, all these three options are really good. If you want more comfort, then you can go with Fitness Mantra 8 mm thickness yoga mat, and if you want 6 mm thickness, then you can go with either Lifelong brand or Fitness Mantra brand. But keep in mind that 8 mm thickness yoga mat will be long lasting, at the same time much more comfortable in daily usage. The Flipkart links of all these yoga mats are in the text section, and Amazon links are in the video description. In the same price range, people also recommend this yoga mat from Nivea brand, and this yoga mat comes with 10 mm thickness. But the problem is with its material. It comes with EVA material. It's the least durable of the three materials, and it will tear very quickly, so don't consider it. Now coming to, if your budget is around 1000 rupees to 1500 rupees, there are so many good options, but the best option is Wise Life's 8 mm yoga mat. This yoga mat comes with 8 mm thickness, and the material you get is TPE. Comes with multiple color options, and this comes for only 1300 rupees. So if you ask me, the material of this yoga mat, which comes around 700 rupees, and the material of this yoga mat, which comes around 1500 rupees, are exactly same. So that means the build quality is same. You are paying double money because of the popular brand and the pattern that you are getting. So if you want, you can completely avoid Wise Life yoga mat. But if you like this pattern and you want to buy it, then you can definitely consider it. Now coming to, there are so many people who want to do yoga, but they have joint pain. In their case, 8 mm thickness is not sufficient. Then you should go with Wise Life's yoga mat that comes in 10 mm thickness or 12 mm thickness, coming for both male as well as for female, and it costs around 1200 rupees. This yoga mat comes with TPE material, that means material is good, and also comes with 10 mm thickness. So in case you want extra comfort and you are having joint pain, in that case only you should consider it. And if you still have any doubt which yoga mat you should buy, then please comment.